Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this channel, we are going to learn and explore on one of the BI tools in the market, that is Power BI. In this video, we are going to look at one of the interesting topic, that is what if parameter in Power BI and how we can incorporate this in DAX. Without much further ado, let's head over to Power BI. Let's take one of the use case scenario where we want to calculate moving average for month on month basis. For that, we can use what if parameter more dynamically, and we can use this in a DAX functionality so that we could able to get the end result. Let's see how we can able to accomplish that. So let's say we need to create a new parameter for that. Let me create that. So let the name be parameter and the data type be whole number. So I say the minimum value should be 2 and I say maximum should be 12 because for a year we have 12 months, and I also say it has to increment by 1. So I have checked this add slicer to this page so that slicer will be added to the page. So let me click OK. Now you can see under the field pane it has been added the parameters, and also slices has been added. Let's drag this out. So you can see the slices are working exactly. So 4, 5, 6 and it goes until 12. So starting with 2 and it goes until 12. Let's see how we can use this for moving average. For that, let's create a measure. Let me create a new measure here. Let's name this measure as moving average. So I'm gonna use calculate function. Calculate, I already have total sales in place as a measure. So now in number of intervals we going to use those parameter value, and I'm gonna give parameter value. The reason to use minus is to get the previous month's result. So comma, it asks me for the intervals, whether it should be a day or month or quarter or year. Let's go with month first. So I'm gonna give month and I'm gonna close this bracket. This is the first stage of the formula. Since it's an average, we need to divide it out. So let's create the second part. Divide this with the parameter value again. So it's going to work more dynamically. So let's click on this checkbox. You can see the measure has been created here. Let's create a table and see how it works. Let's take year and the month name. Also let's grab total sales and moving average. And here we go. So now you can see it's a moving average. You can able to see it. And let's say we change the slicer to 3 months. So it's going to change accordingly. This is the moving average of 3-month moving average. So it's going to calculate like this. So this 3 values divided by 3 and we will get this number. The same goes like this. This 3 values and it divides and we will get this numbers. So forth and so on. It works until the last date. So this is how it works. It's going to work more dynamically. If we put 4, again it's going to calculate on a 4-month basis. So we can go till 12 months and we got the result. The same can be used using chart as well. Let me create a chart. So we have a total sales, month name. Let's put it here on here. So let's put a month name, total sales we got it, and moving average on a secondary values. So here we got it. Again it works more dynamically. You can see on year basis. So you can still drill down further, so it gives us the result accordingly. So that's it for this session, guys. Let's explore more in upcoming videos. Thank you.